today it's going to be on solid tumors. And I'm going to really first show you briefly our reports and what's included in this report, and point out the things that perhaps relevant for those who are interested in signing out some of these cases. So the key things about solid tumors reports, unlike the hematology reports, we will be reporting results based on their level of evidence. So level 1, this is really what's very important for the solid tumor. Many times our reports, a lot of clinical decisions are made based on these findings, and the level of evidence need to be pointed out. So if it is FDA approved indication, we will report it as level 1. Second is if it is standard of care, if there's other clinical relevance, that's level 3, and level 4 for biological relevance. And if we find other stuff, we also report it. In the report, you will see also the heterogeneities, which is very important, especially in solid tumors. So we try to point out some of the heterogeneities. Expression levels of the RNA is also reported. All this will be coming from our technologists. So practically the person who's signing out these cases doesn't really have to worry about this, except to make sure that he agrees and when he's signing out these cases. Next slides. The report also will include the diagnostic implications, prognostic implication. FDA drugs will be listed, or drugs also related, or recommendation for drugs related for different levels of evidence. Next slide, please. And the result summary, this will be a summary of all these findings. So any person who's signing out this report must write this summary. The biological relevance of each of the abnormality will be pulled out from our databases and various other databases, and will be reported in the report in automatic fashions. So you don't really have to worry about that. Next slides. And next slide after. So this is all the, this is example, actual patient example report. Next slides. The drug information which are related, we will be also, these drugs information will be listed. If there are clinical trials, these clinical trials will be listed as well. Next slide. The actual data and the abnormalities will be listed in a table after this, and the methodology will be also described as required by CAB. Next slide. And these are a list of the genes. You will find them in the report. I must say that the list of the RNA genes tested, we cannot really put it on the report. It is more than 1,500 genes, more than 1,400 genes. And these are only a small list of the relevant RNA genes for few genes. Next slide. And of course, the reference for all these findings will be also pulled out by our technologist and will be reported.